Hello everyone, greetings to all. This is Dr. Langovan from SNS College of Technology. I'm a professor in the Department of Aerospace. Today I'm going to talk to you all about the English course on IELTS. Okay, so this course is required for students who are pursuing their education or higher studies abroad. Now, this is a language, this is a test which is uh, assesses your English uh, proficiency. Okay, so uh, let's look at this. This is a part of uh, the course on track 3 on higher education students of third year of SNS College of Technology across all branches, and this will be the fourth unit. Okay, so we'll check on this out. Now, IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, and it is designed to help you achieve your ambition of either working or studying or moving into a country where English is spoken. Now, uh, if you are trying to go for studies, then there is a type of exam. If you are trying to go for working, there's a different kind of exam on this variety. So this IELTS is jointly owned by British Council, IDP IELTS, and the Cambridge University Press and Assessment. IELTS combines global presence with a commitment to academic research. So Cambridge English, British Council, and IDP is a global partnership. Now the test format is here. We have the listening and then we have also the speaking. So apart from that, we have academic reading and academic writing, or if you're going for a job, you can take up the general training reading and the general training writing. Okay. So this is the test format. Now this four sections, there are four sections, which is the reading section, there's a listening section, and a speaking section, and a writing section. The reading and the writing section both are 1 hour each, and the listening and the speaking section are half an hour and around 15 minutes for speaking. So this is the IELTS test structure. During the listening, there are four parts: 30 minutes plus 10 minutes for copying the answers, 10 questions per part. Okay, we have filling in a form, monologue with different things, 2 to 4 people on education, and then the academic monologue. All this comes to under the listening. Under reading, we have three parts, which is totally for 60 minutes. Part one is 2 or 3 short text or several shorter texts. Part 2 consists of 2 texts. Part 3 consists of 1 long text. So there'll be a variety of questions on these. Now the next is the writing and the speaking. In the writing, you have two parts for 60 minutes. The task one is 20 minutes and 150 words. You have to write a letter requesting information, explaining a situation or complaining or other situation. They give you a situation or something, and then you have to write about it. The task two talks about an academic essay. It gives 40 minutes and 250 words for the writing. Now, during the speaking, we have three parts. The three parts, we have the part one, part two, and part three. Part one is for 5 minutes. Introduction and simple questions will be there on the speaking. Part two talks about the long turn or the 3 to 4 minutes. You have to make a 1 minute preparation plus 2 minutes of talk about a topic on the cue card. They give you a card, and then you read through that, and then you have to talk about it. Next one is the part 3 or the 4 to 5 minute follow-up part. Now this is the reading, writing, speaking, and listening. As I said earlier, there are two types of IEL tests. You have the IELTS academic, and then you have the IELTS general. Now this requires admission to for colleges or university, and here IELTS general is generally for language proficiency to an employer for immigration purposes or to obtain citizenship. Now, how long does it take for the IELTS exam to be done? 2 hours 45 minutes, and reading, listening for 30 minutes, reading 1 hour, writing 1 hour, and then speaking for 15 minutes. Okay, you can book your examination at this particular test center, and the eligibility is to take up, all you require is a valid passport, and the 16 years old you should be. You can take this exam if you are planning to study in UK, Canada, New Zealand, US, and Australia. And if you are a medical professional and want to work in the US, you have to take this up, right? Listening. Listening comprises of 30 minutes plus 10 minutes answer transfer. So questions will be around 40. There will be 4 sections: multiple choice, map labeling, form completion, select sentence completion, etc. There are 4 sections, and you may have to write these things. Now, since the video is a large one, we have stopping it here for the next video, and then we'll continue with this from where we have left on the IELTS examination. Thank you very much.